Pega built a multi-billion-dollar empire on helping companies automate their work. But what if the work itself is the problem? The entire business of process automation is built on one assumption, that the process needs to exist. But we have to ask why. Why do these processes exist? To get an outcome. Are the steps in the process fundamental truths or just historical baggage from old tech and departmental silos? Almost always, it's baggage. The process is a workaround, not the actual job. We're focused on automating the workaround instead of achieving the outcome. So let's build this from the customer's perspective. They aren't trying to manage a workflow. They're trying to achieve a state. The real job to be done isn't help me run my onboarding process. It's help me onboard a new, fully vetted customer instantly with no friction. When you design for that job, you don't build a complex workflow tool, you build an outcome machine. A company that does this isn't just a competitor to Pega, it's a whole new category. It's a new platform layer that makes the old way of doing things obsolete. But how do you build a defensible moat around it? You do it by combining innovations. First, you change the profit model. You get rid of the expensive licenses and charge a simple fee for each successful outcome. Second, you build a network effect with data providers that makes your platform smarter with every transaction. And third, your product isn't a clunky interface. It's a simple, elegant API that developers love. You hide the complexity. You don't sell tools to manage it. So we went from a platform that helps you manage complexity to a new model that makes complexity disappear. That's the difference between simple optimization and true innovation. The accelerator model often pushes founders to solve visible problems quickly. They'll tell you to make the process mapper faster, but the real defensible opportunity lies in questioning if the process should even exist in the first place. For a forensic deep dive into this entire analysis, including the novel business concepts and a full breakdown of the frameworks we used, check out my full post on Substack. It's linked down in the description below or in one of the comments. And subscribe for more deep dives into building businesses that last.